Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. By seeing the topic, you must be aware. Today I'm going to share with you guys Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti decorations that you can do at your home. So without any delay, let's get into the video. For the first DIY, I'm taking here this basket which we'll mostly have at all our house. I'm just going to use this woolen thread and I'm going to insert into the holes as shown. And then finally I am going to put a knot like this. And now I am going to take this artificial flower garland and I am going to wrap it around the basket as shown. So our first DIY is complete. I will show you guys how I am going to use it in my decorations. So to create a background, I am using this large frame. This is a painting done by my mother. So I am just going to use this. You can even use a cardboard. So I am just going to wrap the frame with this cloth. And then I am using this artificial flower garland. Now I am taking our DIY which I am going to hang it to the window which is above this space. If you don't have a window, you can even hang it to a nail. Now I am going to take this box which has my daughter's school books. So I am just going to wrap a cloth like this. So I have made a stage like setup. Now I am going to place the Krishna idol. We all know that Krishna loves pearls, so I am going to add in some ornaments here. My daughter's favorite god is Krishna and her favorite program is Little Krishna. She keeps chanting Krishna's name from morning to night and she started watching Little Krishna when she was 2 years. Now she is almost 4 years. She is watching it every day. So you can see how big fan she is of Krishna. I'm adding another flower garland in the background and then I'm going to place on the sides some money plants like this. As we all know, Krishna also loves nature and plants, so I am just placing some plants here. So that is how it looks for now. We'll keep on adding some decorations which we'll be doing in the later part of this video. So now I am going to do some pot decoration. For this I am using this pot which I already had. You can see the finish is kind of smooth, but if you're using terracotta pot, then try to apply a layer of acrylic color and then you can use this liquid embroidery to make some random designs. You can see how simple and easy it looks and it also looks great on the pot. So just by using gold and white, I'm creating some designs here. And you can see it looks so good on this brown color pot. I am going to make a small flower like this at the center. I'm just using some acrylic red color to keep a dot at the center of the flower, and that completes my pot decoration. So now to place butter, I'm just going to use a paper and I'm going to place some cotton like this, and that completes our pot decoration. I had this peacock feathers with me, so which I am going to add at the back of Krishna like this. So now I'm going to make a beautiful jwala. For that I'm taking a cardboard which I'm going to wrap with cloth like this. Now I'm going to stick some decorative chain like this. So now I'm taking this embroidery hoop which I'm going to spray paint into gold. You can even paint it to any color of your choice using fabric colors. Now I am going to fix the hoop onto the cardboard as shown. So now I am taking some box which I already had. You can take any box that you have at your home. So I am going to make 4 holes here with the help of scissors. Now I am going to insert a twine into the hole and then I am going to just put a knot. I will repeat the same thing on all the other sides. I am just going to stick the twine to the box with the help of hot glue gun. So we need to put a knot here. So to balance it, I am taking 2 twines to one side and 2 twines to other side. I am just going to put a knot here. We need to stick the twine to the hoop. So I am going to check by placing the Krishna idol as where exactly I have to stick the twine to the hoop. Now I am going to add some foam flowers here for decorations. I had a border like this, so which I am going to cut into pieces and stick them around the hoop like this. So after sticking, this is how it looks. I am just going to add in some pearls here. Time to place our little Krishna. I even placed a Gomata here and added in some natural flowers. Now I am going to share with you guys the easy way to make Krishna's feet. So you can take some rice flour and mix it with water, and then you can use this procedure to make some little feet of Krishna. You can even fill the inside part, and after drying, this is how it looks. On the tiles, the feet might not be visible that much. We can even make some simple columns using this rice flour, turmeric and kumkum. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the ting 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 bell icon. Only then you'll get notification of all my future videos. So friends, if you really like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And if you guys do any of the DIYs that I shared here, don't forget to share it to me in Instagram. I will share it in my stories. So I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Happy Janmashtami and Krishna Jayanti.